Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Pickowitz with your social studies lesson on Tuesday, September 8th. We are still working on community helpers. Yesterday, we were out of school for Labor Day, which is a holiday that celebrates everybody who works very hard. Last week, we learned about police officers. We learned about firefighters. We learned about doctors. Learned about people that work in a grocery store. So this week, we're going to learn about some other community helpers. We're going to learn about dentists, veterinarians, teachers, librarians, and construction workers. And there's lots of different kind of community helper jobs. Lots of people that work very hard in the community that gets our community going, gets us everything we need. These are just some of them. We could learn about a different community help probably every day for the whole school year, but then we wouldn't get to do any other social studies stuff or science stuff. So today, I'm going to read to you about a dentist. It's called Let's Meet a Dentist. And then when we're done, I want you to tell your adult at least 2 things you learned about dentists or dentist offices. And then you're going to draw a picture of something that you can do to help keep your teeth healthy, or something that you would see at a dentist office, or something that they would use at a dentist office. So you can draw pretty much a picture about anything that has to do with a dentist. So let's read Let's Meet a Dentist, and it's on that awesome Get Epic website that I have sent you guys. Right. Let's Meet a Dentist is on that awesome Get Epic website that I've sent to your parents. And a few of you guys are reading some books on it. There's a lot of books. This one is by Bridget Heos. She is the author. She wrote the words. And it's illustrated by Kyle Poling, and he drew the pictures. Our class is on a mission. We want to find out what a dentist does. We visit a dentist named Dr. Flores at her office. I help people take care of their teeth, Dr. Flores says. She tells us she sees about 20 patients every day. That's more than 400 teeth. No wonder it feels so crowded in here. Kids have 20 baby teeth, children do. And then when they fall out, when they're about 6, they start to fall out, and then new ones grow in, and by the time you're all grown up, you'll have 32 permanent teeth. I didn't show you the picture. I'm sorry. I told you Miss Pickowitz is like got weekend brain or something. We ask how she cares for all those teeth. Dr. Flores takes us to an exam room. First, she puts on gloves and a mask. Those help stop germs from spreading. Dr. Flores lets Jasmine sit in the chair. It moves up and down. Do you play in the chair? asked Jacob. No, says Dr. Flores, but I'm glad you think it's fun. Dr. Flores says her helper Pam cleans each patient's teeth. Pam scrapes gunk off with special tools. A dental hygienist is trained to clean the teeth and help the dentist. Dr. Flores shows us a small machine she calls a slow speed. She steps on a pedal and the slow speed spins. Pam puts toothpaste on the tip and uses it as a polish to polish the patient's teeth. Once the teeth are clean, I take a look, says Dr. Flores. Dr. Flores holds up a tiny mirror and something she calls an explorer. These help me find cavities. Cavities are holes in your teeth, she says. She moves the explorer along the teeth. If it gets stuck in a tooth, there's a hole. She points to the x-rays of the teeth. They show cavities between the teeth, she says. They also show me the parts of your teeth that are hidden under the gums. Do cavities really come from bacteria pooping? Asked Robert. Most of us laugh. So does Dr. Flores. That's right, says Dr. Flores. Germs called bacteria eat food left on your teeth. They leave acid behind as waste, like poop. The acid makes holes in your teeth. Gross, we say. That's why I tell people to brush and floss every day. Clean teeth don't have food for bacteria. And she showed us a poster about keeping healthy. How to keep your teeth healthy. Brush your teeth once after breakfast and once before bed. Brush for 2 minutes. Floss every night before bed. Avoid sweet drinks and foods, and see the dentist 2 times a year. When a tooth has a hole in it, I put a filling, says Dr. Flores. She shows us white and silver fillings. The filling starts out soft. I push it into the cavity, and then it hardens when it dries. Ouch, says Olivia. We give you medicine so it doesn't hurt, says Dr. Flores. In fact, it feels better because bad cavities cause toothaches. She uses a chart to keep track of each patient's teeth. She writes how many permanent teeth young patients have, and she also writes down any cavities. What else do you do? Asked Ryan. I check to see if kids need braces. Sometimes teeth grow in crooked or don't line up well. Then you see an orthodontist. That dentist straightens the teeth with braces or retainers. Some of us can't wait to get braces. It's time to go back to school. Take good care of your teeth. They will stick around, says Dr. Flores. I have a patient who is 100 years old and he still has 28 healthy teeth. Dr. Flores lends a hand to make our teeth healthy, so we give her a hand. And that is the end. So they talked about a few things that a dentist uses, a chart to help her keep track of her patient's cavities, the brush to brush the teeth. She uses x-rays. She has someone that helps her clean the teeth. So your assignment is to draw a picture of something that happens in the dentist office or a way to keep your teeth healthy. And if you can, try to write what it is. If you need help, it's okay. But of course, always write your name on it. Can't wait to see your pictures. Have a great afternoon, and I will see you later. Bye, boys and girls.